Economy.
The rules of earning are changing. You don't need to work harder. You need to work smarter. AI is no longer a tool, it's your new partner. From automating your content to scaling your business, while you sleep, the future of the creator economy belongs to those who adapt now.
But it doesn't stop at creation.
025.
We are moving into an era of true digital
asset
ownership. Whether it's virtual real estate, unique intellectual property, or digital assets, you have the power to build, mint, and profit. Stop just consuming and start owning your digital future today. So, how do you stay ahead? Forget the old path of a single degree.
025.
The future favors skill
Video
stacking.
3 skill
Combine coding, design, and strategy to build a multi-layered income stream. The game has evolved. Are you ready to upgrade? Skill stacking is the new degree.